In this video, I'm going to show you how to change cell size in Google Sheets. There's no actual way on how to change individual cell size in Google Spreadsheet. So to do this, we need to adjust the corresponding column and corresponding row size of that specific cell to change the size of it. So let's say for this video, we will be changing the size of cell A1. So to do this, we would have to adjust the column A first based on the preference or based on the need of the user. And after that, adjust the row. As you can see in here, if you would compare the size of cell A1 compared to the other cells in here, specifically cell A1 size is different. The other way to fix this or to adjust this is by doing it cell specific. So simply click on column A in here, then resize column, then select your preferred pixel size in here. So let's say 130, click OK, and adjust the corresponding row in here, resize the row, then let's add the same size in here, click OK. And now you have successfully changed the size of cell A1. And that's about it. That's how to change cell size in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.